The mystery of the hairy blob-like monster which mysteriously washed up on the Philippines has been solved. Gobsmacked locals rushed to take selfies with the 20-foot creature after it appeared on a beach in Cagdainao, the Dinagat Islands this week. The pictures swiftly went viral, capturing the world's imagination. Some speculated it was a sea cow, or a dugong. Others said it looked suspiciously like an Old English sheepdog. But after an investigation on Thursday, Filipino officials revealed it is the carcass of a whale. Weighing approximately 2,000 kilos, it's believed to have turned white due to decomposition. The animal is thought to have died approximately 2 weeks ago. Locals initially feared it had beached itself following an 6.5 earthquake, which killed 6 on Sunday, but scientists said it was likely hit by a ship. The crack team of scientists and government officials spent Thursday analyzing the carcass. They later released a statement, saying, "A report yesterday said the dead body of sea creature was believed to be a sea cow or dugong, but the team's finding is unanimous that it is a whale, or ballena, and confirmed also by the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources personnel, but is uncertain as to what particular whale species due to its advanced decomposition." In addition, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources sent sample of specimen to Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources Manila for laboratory examination to determine what kind of whale species and the cause of death. The carcass has a total length of 6.3 meters excluding the tail which is missing, and a total width of 2 meters from the dorsal to pectoral fins.